Manufacturers operate in some of the most challenging IT environments. Legacy systems still run critical processes. Hybrid infrastructure connects shop floors to the cloud. IT teams are lean, and uptime is non-negotiable. In this world, unmanaged devices are more than an inconvenience. They are a direct threat to production, compliance, and intellectual property. One unsecured laptop can stop a line, expose sensitive designs, or put you out of compliance with regulators. AndroForge was designed to address this. It centralizes control of every device, so nothing slips through the cracks. It standardizes onboarding and offboarding, so every employee, whether in the office or on the floor, has consistent access and security. It enforces policies automatically, so compliance is built in. And it scales as operations expand without adding burden to IT. For manufacturers, this isn't just IT modernization. It's protection for uptime, compliance, and growth. If you're ready to secure your operations and protect your growth, contact Andromeda, and we'll prepare your quote today.